So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to find limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square secant square of 1 by n square plus 2 by n square secant square of 4 by n square so on up to n by n square secant square of n square by n square which is equal to 1. Again, this is a question based on the concept of definite integral as a limit of sum. So what is the formula that you have in this topic? So integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n sigma 1 to n f of r by n. So if you have a sigma r is equal to 1 to n f of r by n into 1 by n, so this can be written as definite integration 0 to 1 f of x dx. So now first step to solve this would be to express this in sigma notation. So that is equal to limit n tends to infinity. So as you can see, this n square is common and 1, 2, 3 so on up to n. So r by n square into secant square of r square by n square. Sigma r going from 1 to n. So this is nothing but this expression. So first r is equal to 1, you get 1 by n square secant square of 1 square by n square. R is equal to 2, 2 by n square secant square of 2 square by n square, so on. So that is equal to, I'll take 1 by n common. So limit n tends to infinity. So 1 by n, I'll take 1 by n outside. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n, r by n times secant square of r by n whole square. Now as you can see, you have 1 by n outside and the function inside is a function of r by n. So that is equal to integration from 0 to 1 f of x dx, that is in the place of r by n you just need to put x, that is x times secant square of x square dx. Wherever you have r by n you just need to put x. So integration from 0 to 1 x times secant square of x square dx. It is a very simple integral. So let x square be equal to t, x square is equal to t, so 2x dx is equal to dt. So integration, the limits will be same because when x is equal to 0, t is also equal to 0, when x is equal to 1, t equal to 1. And x dx becomes half dt and this is secant square t dt. So that is equal to half times integration of secant square is nothing but tan. So tan t going from 0 to 1, that is equal to half times tan 1 minus tan 0. So tan 0 is 0, so that means tan 1 by 2 is the answer. Thank you.